Hello, I'm Remington. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Chevy Express, you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by law. Let's break this down. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. First, we're going to need to gain access to our wiring. Some vans will have a panel covering the wiring, and that will need to be removed if it is present. Now we're going to remove the plastic clip. The easiest way to unplug it is if you use the screwdriver to press the tab and pull the plug apart. And now repeat on the passenger side. The connector with the yellow wires goes on the driver's side. And now we're going to connect the ground to the existing ground screw. And next we'll need to route the green wire to the opposite side of the vehicle. Plug the connector with the green wire into the passenger side and be sure to secure any excess wire. Now that everything is connected, we're ready to take our wire and run it to the outside of the vehicle. Now we're ready to take our fish rod and route it up through the bottom so we can pull our wire out. Now that you have your fishing pole in, you can pull it out to access it a little easier. Once it's out, you'll want to tape your wire to the end of the pole. So because of the plastic plate in the bottom of the frame down here, you have to tape the wire in this direction so that it will pull past it. Otherwise, it takes the plug and pulls it off of your fish rod. If there was a cover over the access hole, now you can replace the cover. There are two options for the mounting. You can either attach the small bracket to your bumper, or you can attach this larger bracket, which we're going to do, and attach it to the hitch. The bracket attaches with this hose clamp. Before you attach it to the hitch, you need to feed your wiring through the hole, and then route the clamp around the hitch. Feed it back through itself and close the screw like a latch. Now you can either use a flathead screwdriver or an 8mm socket to tighten the screw. Now you're ready to attach the dust cover. Then insert the plug through the back of the bracket and pull it forward till it locks. Attach your dust cap and your installation is complete. Thanks for watching. Happy towing. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.